Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia. For those of you who are new, to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video we are about to address this dry skin. Here it's November here in New York, and it's starting to get really cold, and with that our skin tends to get really dry and get cracked, and it's just not looking good. So today I'm gonna try something new in order to help brighten up my skin. So I know a lot of people usually when they go for a mineral peel, they usually go to like a professional or a salon of some sort. But I received something in my unboxing of my Fab Fit Fun box, and I wanted to give it a try. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up above, and I'll also leave the link in the description box so you can see everything that I received in that box. But in the box I received this product from ORG. You know, can you see? From ORG, and it's a mineral peel face. That's what it's labeled, mineral peel face, not mineral face peel, but mineral peel face. So it came in this little tube, and inside the tube is a spray bottle, and in it it has a solution. And from reading the instructions, it tells you that you need to shake it up a little bit first, and then spray it all over your face, and then rub it in, and then you're gonna see it lift. So right now, I don't know if you could, let me come in closer, you can see my skin. See how dry it is? Let me spray some on and see what it does. All right, so shake it up. Close my eyes, I don't want to get in my eyes. I have a mirror off to the side, that's why I'm looking. But let me see. It said be generous with it. Let it sit for 2 to 3 seconds, and then rub it in. So here we go, and it should lift the dead skin. Oh, I feel it working already. I'm gonna come in closer so you can see. Oh, look. Let me get the forehead. And they say to just rub it in. I know this is skin lifting because I didn't spray that much, and I could feel, okay, you could see, I don't know, look closely, you could see all the residue. Let me keep rubbing. It's not irritating or anything, and it has a nice fresh odor. So it's not, oh, wow. And they say to repeat as necessary. So it's kind of drying out right now. I guess you gotta move pretty fast. So I'm gonna wipe this off and do it again. And to wipe it off, I'm gonna use a paper towel, because as you know, the washcloth will hold bacteria. So I'm gonna damp this paper towel and wipe off my face and do it again. So that's what it looks like. I hope you could see all of the residue all over. All right, let me get this off. And it's suggested that you use it on dry skin. So when you first start, do not wet your face. Use it on dry skin. And that's what I did. I washed my face earlier this morning and let it dry. And now I'm using this. I must say, it's not easy to get the residue off. It's still there. And it's also getting in my hair. But we're gonna get it off. I guess I should have used some on my neck. But we're gonna let this dry, and we're gonna go in one more time. Let me use a dry paper towel to help it dry. I can honestly see a difference in my skin already. It looks brighter. It looks more supple. Just looks better overall. Okay, so let's do another coat. Shake it up. Spray. Woo. Just the idea spray. Let it sit 3 to 4 seconds, they say, and then rub again. So let's see. Okay, yeah, I didn't get my chin earlier, so reckon that in. And it's not as much coming up as before, but there's still some. And it's recommended to use this product 3 to 4 times weekly. So, being that this was a sample bottle, I'm guessing I would have to buy a bigger one, but it works. And this is after me using, like when I get in the shower, I will use the apricot scrub from St. Ives. I use that to scrub my skin also. But even so, I'm still getting a lot of residue. Alright, so I think that's it. There's not much coming up, but I think with continuous use, it will be better. Alright, so let me get a fresh paper towel and wipe that off. Just damp, not soaking wet. And I am wiping off this round. Okay. Yeah, I feel it's nice. My skin is softer. It's not as dry as before. I mean, after all, I'm using the product and I'm also using the wet paper towel. And then it says after doing all this, it's a good idea to moisturize. So I am going to moisturize with, just trying to get the little pieces off. I'm gonna moisturize with, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Day Cream. I usually go in with my St. Ives Renewing, but in this case I'm gonna use, and all of these are drugstore products. I'm gonna use the number 7 Triple Action Lift and Illuminate Day Cream, and it has sunscreen SPF 30. Alright, so this is how it's nice and creamy. Put a nice amount and just rub that in. And this has a nice citrusy odor. And this day cream, you could find it at drugstore, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, I'm sure. Oh wow, that feels so good. And my skin looks so good. Oh, it's nice and ready for makeup. So yeah guys, that is how you do a mineral face peel at home. I'm gonna link this product down below. You're gonna find it on the internet and leave the link for you. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but if it could save you some money from having to do a professional face peel because you're getting the same results, why not save some money? Okay? Wow, it has a little bit of residue still in my hair, but overall, this is good. feels good, it looks good. I don't know if you could see a difference from before at the beginning of the video, but I feel a difference and I see the difference. But that's it, guys. I thank you for watching my video. As always, remember to like this video, comment if you wish, subscribe, hit the notification bell. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.